Hello everyone, and welcome to this channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that's all about nurturing our bodies and minds, the beginner's guide to healthy eating. We often hear about the importance of a balanced diet, but what does that really mean? Stick around as we break it down and show you that healthy eating is not about restriction, but about making informed choices that will fuel your overall health and well-being. Before we jump into the details, let's start with the basics. A balanced diet is all about consuming the right types and amounts of nutrients that your body needs. It's like giving your body a well-rounded toolbox to function optimally. This doesn't mean you have to cut out all your favorite foods. It's about moderation and making smart choices. Now, why is a balanced diet so crucial? Think of your body as a machine. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly. A balanced diet provides your body with essential nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are the building blocks for maintaining energy levels, boosting your immune system, enhancing focus, and supporting your overall well-being. Here's the truth. Healthy eating isn't about depriving yourself or sticking to strict diets. It's about making informed choices that align with your body's needs. You can still enjoy treats, but the key is moderation. Savor that slice of cake, but balance it out with nutrient-rich meals. Let's talk about the building blocks of a balanced diet. These are like the puzzle pieces that create a complete picture of health. First up, we have fruits and vegetables. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, these colorful delights are your body's best friends. Aim to fill half your plate with a variety of fruits and veggies. They'll provide antioxidants that help protect your cells and keep your skin glowing. Next, we have whole grains. These complex carbs provide sustained energy and keep you full for longer. Opt for whole wheat pasta, quinoa, brown rice, and whole grain bread. They're much richer in nutrients compared to their refined counterparts. Lean proteins are up next. They're the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Choose sources like chicken, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. They're lower in saturated fats and provide essential amino acids. Don't be afraid of fats. Your body needs them too. Opt for healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats aid in the creation of hormones, the health of the brain, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. When choosing dairy products or dairy substitutes, choose low-fat yogurt, milk, or fortified plant-based milk. They provide calcium for strong bones and teeth. Remember, portion control is key. Even the healthiest foods can become excessive if not consumed in moderation. Also, remember to eat mindfully by paying attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness to prevent overeating. So there you have it, your beginner's guide to healthy eating. Remember, it's not about restriction. It's about making choices that nourish your body and mind. A balanced diet sets the stage for a vibrant, energetic, and joyful life. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.